Episode 6. Arthur's point of view. Jin gave Tea plateful food to eat. Tea attacked on food and started stuffing in his mouth. He never saw a plateful food before. In the orphanage, he only get less amount of food, and that too only one time in a day. And if he did any mistake, then he has to stay strict. He didn't know when will he get this meal. That's why he was stuffing everything in his tummy as much as he can. Food was very spicy for him. He can't bear the spiciness more and choked the food and started coughing badly due to over spiciness. His condition getting worse. Everyone tried to feel him better. Jungi snatched his food and prepared a special breakfast for him, which wasn't spicy. He became super emotional after seeing food. He started crying. Everyone fed him his breakfast by their hands, including Cook. He became overwhelmed by getting this much love. Cook threatened Tea and forced him to address himself as a master. Poor Tea obeyed to him. John told Cook to arrange the room before as a punishment. Let's see what happens next. June. Now clean this mess before Hobie Hang's arrival. Cook looked around himself. It's too much mess. How can poor Cookie clean them alone? June raised his one eyebrow. Do you want me to spread Jin Hang's room too? Cook shook his head vigorously with puppy dog eyes. No! June, then be a good boy and take your punishment well. You should be thankful that I cut down your punishment into half as you helped Tea by giving him your lollipop. Now move your hand fast. You don't have time left. Cook sat on the floor. What should Cookie arrange first? Books, clothes, or other things? Cookie should confused. He was sitting on the floor and started thinking without realizing the time. His eyes fell on the wristwatch which was under the dressing table. He crawled down towards the dressing table and picked the wristwatch in his hand. Cook rubbed the wristwatch. Did you hurt? I know, Juni Hangi must be put you on the edge and you fell down. Don't be angry from Juni Hangi. He is so sweet but careless too. He always broke the things, then getting scoldings from Jini Hangi. Don't worry, Cookie will rub you. You won't feel pain. If you feel more hurt, then tell to Cookie. Cookie Shobi Hangi is a very good doctor. He will give you some medicine. Then you will be fine. Okay? Finally noticed the time. Juni Hangi told to Cookie to arrange the room like before. But here Cookie got busy in talking with you. You are too talkative. Cookie can't talk with you. Cookie should busy na. Cookie has to arrange this room like before, and that too before Hobie Hangi's arrival. Hobie Hangi is so strict. He can't see messy room. He is so cleany. He carefully put the wristwatch on the dressing table and started picking the books from the floor and arranging in bookshelf. As it was June's room, so here were lots of books. After arranging the books, he neatly started picking the clothes from the floor, which were shattered in the whole room. He picked all the clothes and gathered them on the floor together. He made the bed and spread the bed sheet neatly, then put the pillows on the place. After making the bed, he again sat on the floor near the mountain of clothes and started folding it. Cookie didn't know Cookie's Juni Hangi has this much clothes, but then why did he always wear black clothes like Meow Meow? Colors are so beautiful, na? Cookie wanna wear only colorful clothes. Juni Hangi's babies plants. Why don't you tell him to fill this room with bright and beautiful colors? What did you say? You told him, but he denied. He is like this. He never listened to anyone except Jini Hangi. Sometimes with Meow Meow too. Juni Hangi's babies, you must be feeling bored now. Cookie will sing a song for you. Don't worry. He was folding the clothes while humming the song. He was just looking at the house while roaming here and there. He was passing by the June's room and saw Cook was sitting on the floor with mountain of clothes. T while standing at the door frame. Master! 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 He called Cook, but Cook didn't respond him. How could he respond? This word is new for him now. Everyone calls him Cooking. When he didn't give any response to T, he entered inside the room and shook him heartily. T shook him harshly. Master! Immediately went outside of the room. Cook looked at him. T. Master, can I come inside? Cook. T. T came inside and sat on the floor. Master! Cook. Why are you calling Cookie as Master? T. Master, you told me to call you only Master. Cook. Cookie said this? Try to remember hard. Yes, Cookie said this to Bad Tata to call Cookie as Master. Looked at him. Why are you sitting here? Stand up. T. Scared. What happened, Master? Did I say or do anything wrong? Cook. When Master said anything, then Bad Tata should obey him without any question. Understand? T. immediately stood up. Understood. Sorry, Master. Cook looked at him. Good. Brought a chair for him. Bad Tata can sit on the chair. T hesitated. How can I sit on the chair when you are sitting on the floor? Cook sat on the floor on his previous place. Bad Tata again disobey, Master? T quickly sat on the chair. No, I didn't disobey, Master. Please don't be angry. Cook looked at his puppy eyes. Utte, Master won't be angry. T. Master, can I ask something? Cook while folding the clothes. Yes, Bad Tata can ask. Cookies, Juni Hangi said asking questions is a good habit. By this you will become things hard. T. Intelligent. Cook. Yeah, this tough word. By asking questions you will become this tough word. T smiled. Master, I wanna ask, why did you give me chair to sit? Cook while folding the clothes. Because Cookie Shwa Hobby Hangi gave Bad Tata made this scene. That means Bad Tata is sick. If Bad Tata sit on the cold floor, then Bad Tata will become more sick. Then Hobby Hangi gives Bad Tata big monster needle. When Cookie gets sick, Cookie Hangi don't let Cookie sit on the floor. Cookie Hobby Hangi told this to Cookie. T became emotional to hear this. Till now, no one cares for him. He did lots of work while having injuries. Fever and body pain are the normal for him. But here, everyone care about him. Cook, who doesn't like him, cares too. When Cook didn't get any response from T, he looked at him. Cook looked at him. Bad Tata, what happened to you? Why are you crying? T quickly wiped his tears. Nothing, Master. Cook. T. Master, can I help you in folding the clothes? Cook while doing his work. No, it's so diffy. Things hard. T. Difficult. Cook. Yeah, this tough word is so tough word na. Bad Tata can't do it. T smiled. I can do it, Master. Cook. No, Bad Tata can't. Now let Cookie to do his work. Cookie has to complete all this work before Hobby Hangi's arrival. T. If I help you, then Master can complete the work soon. Cook. Oh yeah, that can be possible. T. So that means I can help you, Master. Cook. Thinks for 2 minutes. No, Bad Tata can't help cooking. T. But we, Master. Cook. Because Cookie's punishment. Cookie should complete his punishment by himself without anyone's help. Cookie's Ginny Hangi told this to Cookie. But here is no one who will tell to them. Cook. No, it's called cheating. Cookie never do cheating. Junie Hangi said we should be honest. Sad face. Okay, but now what should I do? Cook. Bad Tata can talk with Junie Hangi's babies. See, they are just behind you. Pointed on the plants. Time escaped after some time. Cook was almost done with arranging the things while talking with T. Jimin was secretly checking them time to time. Jimin came there. T immediately stood up. Yes, sir. Jimin, why did you stand up? Sit down. Gave him medicine and a glass of water. Now gulped it fast. T took the medicine and glass of water from his hand. Okay, sir. Jimin, Cookie, come for the lunch after arranging the clothes in the closet. Cook, Otti Mini Hangi. T gave the empty glass to Jimin. Sir, glass. Jimin took the glass. Left from there. T, master, where are you going? Cook, while holding the clothes, to place the clothes in the closet. T, confused. Closet, what's this? Cook, Bad Tata didn't know closet. T shook his head vigorously. No, Cook, closet is a big thing where we keep our clothes and other things. This Bad Tata understand? T shook his head. No. Cook, don't worry, follow Cookie. Cookie will show Bad Tata. With that, Cook went to John's closet and T followed him like a lost puppy. Cook, see, this is closet, said while arranging the clothes. T, amazed, wow, it's so huge. Cook looked at him. No, it's not huge. Ginny Hangi has the biggest closet among everyone. Cookie also has a big closet. T, really? Cook, really? But why did Bad Tata look amazed to see the closet? Everyone has the closet. Doesn't Bad Tata has a closet? T shook his head vigorously. No. Cook, then where does Bad Tata keep his clothes? T, I don't have this much clothes. I hardly have 2-3 clothes. Jimin shouts from the living room. Cookie, come to dining room. I'm serving the lunch. Cook shouts back. Otte Mini Hangi, Cookie is coming. Cook walked outside but noticed he was still looking at the closet. Bad Tata, what are you looking? Mini Hangi is calling us for lunch. Let's go. T, sir, only called master. Cook, doesn't Bad Tata wanna have his lunch? T, really? You will give me food again? Said with shiny sparkling eyes. Cook, really? Now let's go. Held his hand and started dragging him. They both came to dining room and saw Jimin was serving the lunch. Cook sat on his chair. Mini Hangi, what's in lunch? Jimin gave him his food tray. Mini Hangi ordered a special lunch for his Cookie. As I know, today my Cookie did so much hard work. Cook showed him his big funny smile. Thank you, Mini Hangi. About to touch the food. Jimin, Cookie, did you wash your hand? Cook showed him his hands. Yes, Cookie and Bad Tata washed their hands in Junie Hangi's washroom. Jimin, good. Now you can eat your lunch. Looked at T. T, why are you standing? Sit on the chair. T, where should I sit? Jimin, where you sit in the morning, that's your chair. You should sit only that chair, okay? T quickly sat on the chair. Okay, I will remember that. Cook, Mini Hangi, food is so tasty. T saw a food tray on the table. He thought it was his. So he slowly took the plate and about to eat. But Jimin quickly snatched it from his hand. Poor T was about to eat the food. His happy face turned small and sad. Jimin, little bit angry. What are you doing, T? It's not your food, it's mine. T, sorry, I thought it's mine. I'm really, really sorry. Please forgive me. Jimin, wait here. Cook, Bad Tata. What did you do? You made Cookie's mini hunky mad. T looked at him with his scared eyes. I'm really sorry, master. I really didn't know that was my food. Jimin, what's happening here? Cookie, how many times should I remind you that don't talk while eating? Cook looked at him. Sorry, Mini Hanky. Cookie won't talk now. Jimin, you better be, otherwise I will take your tasty food. Cook, no, quietly started eating. Tea, I'm really sorry, sir, said with shaky voice. Jimin gave him his food tray. That is your food. That was spicy food. That's why I snatched it. I ordered non-spicy and healthy food for you. Hobie Hangi told me to give you only light and healthy food. Ruffles his hairs. Now eat it, but slowly. Don't eat fast, otherwise you will choke like morning. T looked at him. Thank you so much, sir. They all started eating their lunch happily. T was so happy, and why wouldn't he be? He got food to eat in less than 5 hours. His food wasn't tasty because it was boiled, but for him it was the tastiest food of the world. After the lunch, Jimin went to the kitchen to clean the dishes, and Cook started cleaning the dining room. They don't have any servant because of trust issues. They all do their work by themselves. Mostly G-Cook do cleaning as they stay at home. If there was any other young, then he will help them too. Jimin was cleaning living room and Cook was mopping the staircase. They didn't let T to do any work, which was quite awkward for him. So he was roaming behind Cook and asked him to give some work to him. T, Master, give me some work to do. Should I mop the floor or clean this railing? Cook, while mopping the staircase. No, Bad Tata isn't well. Cookie can't tell Bad Tata to do any work. It's wrong. And Cookie is a good boy. Cookie only does right things. T, I'm fine, Master. I only want to help you. Cook, no, Bad Tata won't do anything until he becomes healthy. T, but Master. Cook, can't you listen at once? Now move away and let Cookie do his work. He lightly pushed him to move away and turned around to go, but T slipped from the staircase because it was just mopped. T screamed, "Ah!" Cook turned around and saw him falling but couldn't do anything to protect him. His mind got blank. June entered inside the house and saw T was falling from the stairs. He quickly went to him and protected him to fall from the floor. June worried. T, are you alright? T opened his eyes and hugged him tightly. Sir! June carefully made him sit on the chair and angrily looked at him. Cookie! June was fuming in anger. Seeing him like this, Cook got more scared and mop dropped from his hand. He started shaking. Cook, so sorry. June angrily went to him and harshly slapped him. He fell on the floor. This is the way to treat anyone? We won't say anything to you. That's why you are becoming bad day by day. Today I will teach you a good lesson. Grabbed his arm and started dragging him. Cook started screaming. So sorry. Hurts. Mini Yangi. June, stop screaming. Today nobody can save you from me. I know very well how to tame you. Brightness. To be continued. Author's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. Are you enjoying long episode? I know you are enjoying very much. I always thought today I will write the episode only 15 to 16 minutes, but always ended up writing too long. I have a complaint from you all. Why don't you like the videos? If you can watch the videos, then you can do like too. Don't be become so mean and do likes, otherwise I will cut the length of the video till 15 minutes. I know you don't want this, right? Show some respect towards my hard work. We will meet soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.